Welcome back everyone. First, let me show you that this is my real trading account, not a demo account. Now let's select our indicator. Today we're using the CCI Commodity Channel Index. Next, we'll already select our trading pair. I'm choosing AUD CAD. Everything is ready, so let's place our first buy trade. Now while this trade is running, let me explain the CCI indicator. A lot of beginners jump into trading without learning the basics, and that's one of the biggest reasons. They lose money if you trade without understanding the market or the indicator you're using. You're most likely going to lose. Before risking your money, take time to learn how trading works. Even if you master just one indicator, you can avoid many bad trades and become much more consistent. The CCI Commodity Channel Index is a momentum indicator that measures how far the current price is from its average price. It helps traders identify overbought and oversold market conditions. When the CCI moves above 100, it indicates strong bullish momentum and can signal a buy opportunity. When the CCI moves below 100, it indicates strong bearish momentum and can signal a sell opportunity. The zero line is also important. When the CCI crosses above zero, it suggests increasing bullish momentum. When it crosses below zero, it suggests increasing bearish momentum. Now let's take another setup. This time we're selecting EUR CAD again. And based on the CCI signal, we're placing a sell trade. As you can see, our trade is moving exactly in the expected direction. And there we go, another winning trade. If you want to learn this type of trading, use a real strategy and receive daily free trading signals, make sure to join our Telegram channel. The Telegram link is in the description.